In this video, let's take a look at the different properties for paragraphs and characters for the type tool. So let's go to File, New, and create a new letter size document again. And just very simply create a text box using your type tool. So go to your type tool, horizontal type tool, and just click a rectangle and go to maybe 18 would be fine. And let's go over and to course documents, copy the lorem ipsum text again and edit, paste. Go and it really can be any color, that's fine. So let's go take a look at your character here, okay? Oops, this is paragraph and this is character. So if you're not seeing these panels, that's okay. I'm just going to close everything. So if you can go to Window, Character. You can see some of the options up here too, but I would like you to go to Character for now. I'm just going to zoom in a bit there. All right, so this here is the font. So there are many different fonts that you can choose from. It shows you what the font looks like on the right hand side, and over here is the font weight, and right here is the font size. It shows you your most recent size up there, and over here this is something called leading. Okay, so usually it's set automatically. Leading is a space between each line of text. Okay, so this space right here. You can change it. If I change it to something very big, it's at 18 points. So if I make it, the font size is at 18 points. So if you set it at auto, it should be around 18 points as well. But if I make it something really big, like 60 points, first I have to select it. Okay, then if I go here to 60 points, then you can see that the space between each line of text has increased. Okay, so let me go edit, undo, redo, and I'm just going to use my type tool and select everything again, and then I'm going to change it to 6 points. And you can see where it's 6 points. I'm just gonna have to change everything to 6 points here. Okay. Keep changing it. So you can see that when I change it to 6 points here in the leading, the space between the text is the different lines of text, each line of text has become very small, and now they're overlapping. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete that and start a new one. And before I get started, I'm just gonna go back to auto for the leading. So that is called leading. I'm gonna go File, Paste after creating a new text box, and now I'm gonna show you what tracking is. Tracking is over here. So tracking is the space between each letter. Okay, so tracking is the space between each letter. All right, so let's go over here. And right now it's set at 50. So if I make it 200, there we go. There's more space between each letter. If I make it less, minus 100, it becomes very squished together, you can see. Okay, so the more squished together and the less space there is, it makes everything look more crowded. And the more space there is between characters and lines, the more the more space it appears to achieve. Okay, so this really depends on the kind of design that you're going for. We'll take a look at more typography when we get to the Illustrator section of the course. All right, but for now, that is all I'm going to show you regarding the characters.